As people gear up for travel, home projects, tax deadlines, and outdoor events, scammers ramp up their efforts to exploit the seasonal rush. From too good to be true deals to impersonation schemes that feel alarmingly convincing, these tactics evolve every year and catch even savvy consumers off guard. Welcome to Money Tip Tuesday from the Making Money Personal podcast. In this tip, I'm going to highlight the top 5 scams to watch for this spring, how they typically unfold, and the warning signs that help you protect your accounts, your identity, and your financial peace of mind. The first one covers unclaimed funds. Have you received an unexpected phone call with the unexpected news that you're entitled to hundreds of thousands of dollars of unclaimed property? More likely than not, this is a phishing scam. These scammers are counting on you to take the bait and provide your personal information or payment details under pressure. Remember, legitimate government agencies won't call or text asking for personal information to release your unclaimed property. Instead, you can visit unclaimed.org/search to see if any unclaimed funds can be returned to you. I'll add this link in the show notes. Another scam regards mortgage or debt relief offers. Just like unclaimed funds and unclaimed property scams, fraudulent mortgage and debt relief offers are on the rise. If the offer is unexpected and requires payment up front, it's more than likely a scam. Other signs of a scam can include urgency related to the timing of the transaction. If you don't act immediately, you can take advantage of this offer later. Scammers often ask for payment right away, but it's illegal for debt or mortgage relief companies to charge a fee before you receive their services. Remember, if you're having trouble paying your mortgage or other debts, reach out to the companies that you owe money to and explain your unique situation. Often, you can work with lenders and creditors to develop a payment plan. You can find legitimate help from housing and credit counselors as well. Another scam regards unpaid traffic violations. Did you receive a text, phone call, or letter advising that you have unpaid traffic tickets or tolls? Many times these messages are threatening and rely on you to act quickly under pressure to remediate the issue. To make matters worse, scammers are taking advantage of artificial intelligence to make false notifications appear to look legitimate. For example, letters can include a fraudulent copy of an agency's seal or can mimic a court-ordered collections notice. Some letters even include a QR code to collect payment. If you received one of these communications, reach out directly to the agency in question using a publicly available phone number to confirm the authenticity of the message you received. The next scam is a false safety recall. Another scam making the rounds this spring is product recall notices. Scammers are sending fake texts impersonating popular retailers and advising of urgent product recalls. Many times, these text messages include a link to a website that looks a lot like the actual retailer's website, but it's generally designed for you to enter your personal information, sending it directly to the scammer. Generally, retailers will post safety notices directly on their platforms and will not send unsolicited text messages related to recalls or refunds. If you have registered a product with the manufacturer when you purchase it, actual recall notices will be delivered to you by mail or the email you used during product registration. Learn more about active product recalls at recalls.gov and cpsc.gov. And the final scam we'll cover is weather relief scams. This time of year often brings severe weather to many parts of the country. In turn, this means that scammers are ready to target victims eager to complete storm-related repairs quickly. Stay skeptical of contractors who reach out to you directly, as it's common for unsolicited contractors to target recovery zones. Always ask for copies of their license, insurance, and a contract in writing before taking action. Make sure to use trusted resources to see what others are saying about contractors or funding resources. Seeking multiple estimates or quotes for services can be critical to help ensure you're getting a fair deal and that you're comparing equivalent work, materials, and timelines for repair. And finally, pay by check or with credit card. Other payment methods, such as cash, cryptocurrency, wire transfer, gift cards, or a payment app, can make it challenging to recover the money if it is a scam. Scams can be unsettling, but with vigilance and the tips above, you can help protect yourself and your data. Always remember that when in doubt, take a step back and verify before you act. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If you suspect you may have fallen victim to a scam like this, or you suspect identity theft for any other reason, we have you covered. With a Better checking account, you have access to fully managed identity theft recovery services. We can provide a professional identity theft recovery advocate to help you remediate identity fraud and rescue your good name. To learn more about Better Checking and its benefits, you can check out the link in the show notes or visit trianglecu.org. If there are any other tips or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know at tcupodcast@trianglecu.org. Like and follow our Making Money Personal Facebook and Instagram pages, and look for our sponsor, Triangle Credit Union, on social media to share your thoughts. Thanks for listening to today's Money Tip Tuesday. Check out our other tips and episodes on the Making Money Personal podcast.